Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is to show you how to go to channel when you want to visit other friends when you're on the live stream of your friends. Ayan guys, so this is how you do it guys. It's very easy and simple lang siya guys. So if you have any laptop there, computer, you can do this guys. You just go to your Chrome or Google like this. So this is familiar to you guys. It's just very easy for you. So you just open your Google or this one guys, that one. Ayan. Or Google Chrome. Ayan, Google. Ayan, so now it's open already guys. So on the right side top corner you see that 3 dots, so you touch that one because this one is a touch screen. I just touch it like that. If you got a mouse, you just click it. So that's the result. You look for the settings here, that one, the settings, touch that one. Ayan, now in the left side corner, see that setting there, and then you look for the extensions. Ayan, so you see the extensions? Okay, this one, the extension. Oops, it's blurred. Ayan, so I touch that extension and this is came up. So that's the result when you touch the extension. Again, on the right, in the left side, the left side of the word extension, there is 3 lines. So touch that one like this. So that's come up. So under the extension, there is extension word, which is the blue color extension, and then keyboard shortcut. So you need to go down or scroll down like that and look for the Open Chrome Web Store. Ayan, Open Chrome Web Store. It's like a Play Store guys, this one. So you touch this or click that one if you got a mouse, if you're using a mouse. Ayan, now there is a Chrome Web Store there and there is search. So you search the word go to channel. So type here go to channel. One word lang siya guys. One word. Like that. Okay? So, now, press enter. Enter. Now, the result like this. So, when you press enter guys, the go to channel, press enter. So, this is the result. So, see that one? That person there got a hat. So now it's like an apps guys. So go to channel. Ayan siya guys. Now you need to click add to Chrome. So click or touch add to Chrome. Now it's checking and there is another box came up. So you add extension because you want this go to channel to work. So add extension. Okay? Ayan siya guys. So it's done. Now it's done guys. It's done. So now guys, I need to open another tab and press that YouTube video. And then, or YouTube website. Ayan now. So, look for the people who are, or look for your friends that are doing live stream. Okay? Okay, guys? Okay. So, we look for this one, guys. Because got so many people in there. we touch this one, guys, cause so we're just gonna do the one that got minutes so it will work quickly. Ayan, guys. See? This one here blue. So someone is already some commenting a new one there, and the notice the color, guys. This one, it's blue. It's blue. It's not working, guys. When you click that blue, it's not working. But this new one, because we just opened this LS, this other color, green one, if you touch that name like this, and it goes right away quicker to go visit to that channel. See? You notice, guys? That's simple and very easy, guys. Ayan, let's go back again. Let's go back. Ayan siya, guys. So, we click another one. Ayan. See, guys? It's working, guys. It's working. See? So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So now, still playing yours to Sis Anadel. Ayan siya. So now, now I'm gonna hide it. Baka maano tayo, ma-copyright tayo. Okay, sana hindi. So that's how you do it, guys. You just gonna please I open another window. So you just what I said before, to summarize, you go to that one, and then setting, and then extension, and then under the extension, that one, go to Chrome Web Store, and then search the gotochannel there. Type the gotochannel and enter, and then the result, you add the gotochannel extension, and that's it. That's how you do it, guys. So now guys, hope you understand and you like my tutorial on how to go to channel when you visit and join live streaming. Hope you share this video if you do like my video. Ayan. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to hit that red button there, guys, so you will be notified to my next videos daily. daily. Ayan, guys, so thank you very much, guys, for watching, and hope to see you again soon. Ayan. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. Ayan. So this is my family picture, guys, in my laptop. And my laptop, you like my family picture, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So it's very simple lang, guys, ha. You can do that, guys. So I forgot to tell you, guys, the go-to channels that I just add extension, guys, it won't work here in the incognito. The go-to channel is not working here, guys. So when you click there, we'll see in here, guys, because this one in private, see, blue still, but it's not other color there. There's no other color, not just like the other one here. when you do go to channel, and then like here, like that, it's still blue. And then when someone commenting, yeah, see, when someone commenting, it goes different color, and you just press it and it straight away go to the other channel, to the channel you are going to visit. But in the private, it doesn't change. It's not working, the go to channel in private. So only when you're not in private. Ayan, only when you're in private, guys. Only when you're when you're not in private. So but at least the go to channel is working. If you are not using in private, you can use this one, guys. You can use that one. So that's it, guys. Thank you for your time watching my video. Okay, guys, thank you talaga, guys. Ayan, so ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. So bye for now, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.